Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of this awesome cool toy. So it's a top race heavy duty metal RC excavator. It's really cool, so make sure you subscribe, watch till the end, like, and smash that notification bell. Okay, so let's unbox this. I also love this box, it's really good quality. Oh wow, look at this. This thing is huge. Wow, okay, look at this instructions. Nice. Wow, look, this is actually metal. It's all fully metal. Okay, so, oh look, is this like a little grabber thingy? So I think this is for grabbing little clumps of dirt. Cool, look, it's solid metal actually. This will definitely dig. And then there's even a screwdriver. And then I think this is oh wow, this is a jackhammer. This goes to the excavator, and then it goes like this to break through really solid ground. Then there's this stuff, oily stuff. I think it's to put it on to the hydraulic metal things for it to move really smoothly. Next is, okay, so this is, oh nice, this is a nice battery. This is stuck in here. Look, battery. And then this is the remote. Oh wow, a lot of buttons. I like this material, it's really smooth. Wow. And then now let's take out this huge excavator. Wow, look at this thing. Oh, it's actually solid metal, look. Oh, wow, even the tracks are made of metal. Usually they're made of like cheap plastic or rubber, but this thing is really high quality. Oh man, this thing is heavy. It's like 50 pounds, I think. Wow. Well, probably because it's like solid metal. Okay, so now let's see how this monster works. First, there's the sound. It's really realistic. At a construction site. Then, which is I thought is really cool, is the smoke that comes out of this little tube. Wait for it. So do you see it? There's like smoke coming out of the hole. Really realistic. So now let's see how it moves. This thing is also so powerful that it can actually like do tricks. Look at that. This is really cool. And it also goes forward and backward. Oh, okay, so I found out that it's this. Okay, now let's test this. I can't wait to see how this works. Okay, so I'm pretty sure you have to connect this together. Okay, nice sound. There we go. Okay, so as you can see, I found this nice corner here in my backyard, and I basically just dug this place up for the excavator, so it looks like a construction site. Okay, and also whenever the sound is on, there's also these lights here, as you can see, so it could work in the night. Let's just get this up. Wow. Okay, I'm just gonna start digging with this. Let's go over here. Okay, I'm really amazed because this thing actually digs. Like you could see, it actually got a scoop of dirt. So it goes forward, backwards. Okay, here I'll turn on the smoke. I'll turn off the sound so you guys can see. Okay, so just look right at this point right here, and pretty soon you'll start seeing smoke coming out of it. Okay, so I hope you can see it, but there's actually like smoke coming out of the little tube. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Looks really real. Okay, so I just went through this big hole. It was pretty cool to see how it just went right out of it. So I'm just gonna dig right in this spot. I think I'll just keep digging right in this pile that I put here. You can see it's very powerful. It can just dig through any kind of dirt and soil. And I'll turn the special effects sound so you can actually hear the real sound of it. So as you can see, it can also go off like really big curves. It's pretty simple. So in conclusion, you could just see this thing is really powerful. You can dig some pretty big holes with it. It's really realistic. Yeah, I like the smoke. It's a really good idea. And also these two buttons right here are for the jackhammer if you'll attach it. So I hope you enjoyed this review of this awesome, cool, like adult
toy. So I really like the brand Top Race. It's really good. So they make really high quality products and RC stuff. And so make sure you subscribe, hit the like buttons, click the notification bell, and click up here to watch the full video icon of just the excavator digging and stuff.